Hello again, guys. So welcome to this video of Backseat Talks. So in this kind of series, I'm going to be talking to you about my life in general, my projects I'm doing, and most importantly forex trading and how well I'm doing in that. So I'm literally sitting in my car right now. Now in this Backseat Talks, because I drive an EV, an electric car, some of you know about that, an Peugeot E28, I'm thinking I could do these Backseat Talks while I'm charging. That would be really cool, because then I can utilize my time pretty well, right? But for now, let's talk on this first episode of our Backseat Talks. Let's talk about my YouTube journey a little bit, and also talk about what I'm doing right now, how I've managed to get to myself where I'm making $500 daily from forex automated trading, and how you can get into it as well. Because I've been telling people about to get into it. I've got friends into it, and I want to share my passion with everyone that I do know, basically. So this is going to be a little bit of a raw video. I don't really want to cut the video, because literally it's almost like you're just sitting in the back seat, we're driving around, and you're listening to me talk. So this is going to be a raw, uncut video. So let's get right into it. My YouTube journey, where did I start off? Why did I even start YouTube? So the title of my channel name of my YouTube channel, you notice it says Kudantourage. The way I actually got into YouTube was because back in 2007 I started YouTube. I made a few funny videos. They're all archived now, but they're still there hidden away. I made a few funny videos, and then I kind of just forgot about YouTube all the way up until we're talking 2017-18, when the crypto boom kind of happened. I got back into YouTube, was making video on that, and then I sort of kind of lost passion in YouTube. And then in 2019 I kind of got back a little bit into YouTube. I managed to build up a few subscribers, about 3,000 subscribers, and then my growth just stagnated because I wasn't making content. And one thing I have to tell you guys is, if you're gonna do something, you have to go all in. The mistake I made was I was working full time. I was doing so many different hobbies. I was trying to go out, trying to enjoy my life, because I was in my, early 20s, which is understandable, right? But then I wasn't focusing in on YouTube as much as I wanted to. Now, the real caveat to that is, because I experienced so many different little things, it gave me more, I guess you could say, I exhausted my thoughts in my head. As in, now I don't think about, what if I do this, what if I do that? Because most things that are out there, I've pretty much dabbed into a little bit. So now my mind is mostly clear of any sort of curiosity when it comes to different things. And now I can be fully focused on what I do now, which is forex trading. So let's just break down the name of my YouTube channel, Kudantourage. My name is Kuda, if you don't know who I am. And entourage, basically, I'm sure you know what an entourage is. It's like a group or a following, or not like a cult following. I mean, I'm not like any sort of person who aspires to dictators and stuff. But, it was meant to be me and an entourage of friends. That's how I created the channel to be. And I still see myself in the future making it like that, having my friends come onto the channel, share their ideas, share the passions that they have, and maybe we can do small projects together. So now that that's out the way, a little bit short intro and a short kind of process of how I've managed to get to where I am on YouTube, and what I'm doing now. So with forex automated trading, I do make about $500 a day. That's even on a on a standard normal day, not even a really good day. On a really good day I could do a lot more. But let's just talk about how it works for me, why you should get into it, and why I personally think if you really want to pursue something, you need to create yourself basically multiple incomes. So the way I got into forex automated trading is, I already knew about trading, forex trading. I was in crypto trading back in the 2017, early 2017. I was doing it back then, and I had quite a lot of experience coming into it. So I'm not new and to all of these ideas of trading and how different things like market volatility, market downturns and everything. I'm emotionally aware of all those certain things. And if you can handle your emotions, trading and everything else becomes so easy for you to do. So what I managed to find out was I came across a group that was called Azar Trader. And what this actually did was, it was a group that had a lot of people that were using a piece of software called an expert advisor. So an expert advisor basically is a robot that attaches onto what's called MT4. So that's your MetaTrader 4, or you can attach it to MetaTrader 5, which is the latest one. But MetaTrader 4 is the one that's the latest one that everyone uses. So it attaches onto here, and you basically create your brokerage account. So your brokerage account is the place where you deposit your funds. So once you deposit your funds, this expert advisor automatically trades the money that you have in your account. And if the expert advisor is a good automated trader, it's going to make smart decisions, automated, and make you a lot of money. Now, how do I get to $500 a day? You're probably thinking, do I have, 50,000, 100,000 in my bank that I play around with? The short answer is no. And if you're dealing with like $1,000 account, $2,000 account, $10,000 account, you're not going to make as much money as I'm making from automated forex trading. The reason why is because now I specialize in what's called prop firms. Prop firms are basically proprietary trading firms, and what they basically do is they allocate for you funds to trade with. So now currently my trading, I'm controlling over $300,000. Yes, you probably heard that right. $300,000 in funding with a company called My Forex Funds. So because I'm controlling $300,000 in terms of funding, that's why I can make, $500 or $1,000 Monday to Friday automated. Because that's literally like, if I made even 3,000 in a month, that's like 1%, and 1% is easy to make. Not saying it's easy for everyone to make, but it's doable, and 3,000 will be more than my current wage income that I make from my current job, which is like, maybe like 1,700 or 1,800 a month. That's what I make from my current wage job. But in terms of trading, I can make anywhere from, we're talking $3,000 to $15,000 every single month, which is a little bit ridiculous, but that's how it's got to at this stage. And that's why I'm making this video, to kind of showcase to you why I've had this hiatus where I've disappeared from YouTube and I've been zeroing in and focusing on automated trading. Now in the next couple of videos, in the backseat talks, I'm going to be showing you a little bit of how you can get into proprietary trading firms and what I kind of use to pass these trading challenges. So you get what are called challenges, and once you pass these challenges, you're allocated funds, and when you're allocated these funds, you can trade them and keep a certain percentage of money. So right now at the moment, the money that I make, I'm keeping 85% of that money, and then the proprietary trading firm that's allocating those funds to me, they get to keep the rest. So like 10, 15, 20%, it just depends on the prop firm. But right now I'm in a situation where I'm thinking to myself, what do you even do with all this money? Now that's where you have to get smart, because the hardest thing for me in forex trading is figuring out what to do with a ton of cash. So once you have, let's say 15k or 20k in a month, you're thinking to yourself, do you put a deposit on a house? Do you purchase, certain things? What do you do with that particular money? So far, I've been reinvesting to create more forex trading accounts so I can make more money. And that's what I'm going to continue doing. And maybe I might go into property and make a couple of deposits on different houses, every few months or so. If I can make 15 to 20,000 pounds or even dollars, whatever I make every single month. So that's my kind of raw video on where I am at now in life and why I've had this hiatus on YouTube. And I will be making a lot more videos to showcase to you exactly, how much you can make forex trading And if you want to see my results, I'm showing them on the screen right now. I am a funded trader, my forex funds. You see my certificates as well. I'm showing them on the screen here, and also some of my payouts as well. And I'm going to be showing you further payouts for you as well, because I know you guys like payment proof. Because when I'm going into something like automated trading or whatever, I like to see proof of work, proof of actual, not even investment, proof of someone's earnings. And that's what I like. Cold hard facts and cold hard numbers and actual proof and earnings and everything like that. And that's what I like to show you guys, because that's what I like to see. So thank you for watching this quick short video, this backseat video. I'm going to be making a lot more like this in the next couple of days or weeks or so when I have some free time. But that's where I am right now with my trading journey. So this has been a short quick video of these kind of episodes. If you like this kind of style of video compared to me being in my studio, let me know, because then I'll make a lot more videos like this just for you guys. See ya.